you think those symbols mean?
I don't know.
It's kind of cryptic. This looks like a fellow with a mullet who's got a psychedelic baseball cap and some cryptic symbols. That one looks like it's looking right at me. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. This is like electricity passing through a circle somehow.
Oh, there's a beehive in here.
Is there really? No, there's a wasp nest. Hornet nest, probably. Wasps love solar. Hornets love them. Squirrels love solar. What else loves? Raccoons love solar.
Geckos. Ants.
Pigeons love solar. I had bad pigeon problems like
Seriously bad. I had to fence off my whole array.
Now that can be an issue too, because you might have to protect the array from
Goats.
and sheep. Well, not sheep so much, but goats will eat wires.
Right. It's spicy hay to them.
Other animals you gotta be careful of: cows, horses, elk. Elk is bad and deer, because there's those times of year where horned animals like to kind of sharpen their horns or to scrape off the velvet, and a PV array could be a really nice thing to do that on. So we see frequently people might fence off around the perimeter of the array to keep out animals and people. There are some other strategies we use. One is called solar scrim, where it will be essentially a shade cloth that's suspended on cables under the array to keep the conductors from being physically accessible.
I love solar scrim.
Yeah, it's great.
It's not cheap, but it's a really great solution where the alternative is constructing a fence around your solar array.
I actually like fences for one reason. Some people will use them for a wood shed, for example, because the array can shield the wood from exposure to the rain. So that's one nice way that you can make use of it. But I'll caution, you have to be careful about putting stuff under the array. First of all, you don't want to be hitting the conductors. You don't want to be scratching the back sheets of the module. These are things I think a lot of people don't give consideration to, but that matters for the longevity of the array. So I would say putting the array in an area where it's not going to have a lot of people poking around or animals poking around at is good. And then that solar scrim is certainly less expensive than fencing off the array.
Right.